Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by enabling the widget host. This is why it matters. Widgets pull live info and need the taskbar host running. First, right-click the taskbar and enable News and Interests or open your chosen widget app. Make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account so feeds and preferences sync. Once done, click the widget icon to open the panel. At this stage, you're ready to add modules. The next step configures and customizes those widgets for your workflow. Now you'll add and arrange widgets to make the panel useful. Click Add Widget or the plus button to choose weather, calendar, traffic, or third-party modules. Select one to place it on the panel. Then drag to reorder and use corner handles to resize. Prioritizing compact news tiles versus larger calendar blocks improves glanceability. Make sure to open each widget settings to set refresh frequency and grant permissions. This controls data use and accuracy, and it prevents stale or missing information. To finish, lock your layout mentally by testing each widget. Open the calendar event, click a news headline, and verify live updates. If widgets don't appear, restart Windows Explorer or reinstall the widget app to reset the host process. This fixes most glitches. Make sure your network is active, your Microsoft account is signed in, and Windows updates are applied, because outdated components often break widgets. If problems persist, try removing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.